Hi, my name's Alyson Onyon. I'm the Director of Performance Nutrition here at Syracuse University Athletics, and today we're going to make a blueberry smoothie. Smoothies are a great way to fuel and hydrate before and after workouts. We want to make sure they include these 4 ingredients: carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Milk is a good source of protein. It also has some carbohydrates, calcium, and vitamin D. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein. Protein is really important to help with muscle recovery and repair. Next, we're going to add whey protein, and again, great source of protein. We are going to add a banana. This is going to be our source of carbohydrates in addition to the carbs in the milk and the yogurt. Carbohydrates are really important for our energy levels, for our muscle and our brain. We are going to add blueberries, and blueberries are going to be a great source of antioxidants, which helps with muscle soreness. Lastly, we're going to add chia seeds, and chia seeds are an anti-inflammatory, healthy fat. And we're going to blend for at least 10 seconds. We're finished. Visit wegmans.com/eatlikeapro for more recipes and tips.